Hello and welcome to SatTV Week, the news programme for the international satellite industry. This week I talked to O'Brien McKinley at Globecom Systems, James Shortland reports on the European Space Agency agreement with Astrium, and Tricia Jones has the launch news. But first, here are the news headlines.
In Europe, Africa, Asia and Latin America, global brands within the satellite communications industry have been quick to join NewTek's brand new business partner programme called BPart. The satellite specialist unveiled the partner-driven initiative globally at the IBC 2011 show. It is designed to ensure customers have local access and support to NewTek's comprehensive and unique range of products anywhere in the world. Since the global launch, and in only a few weeks, more than 15 companies on 5 continents have joined the initiative that will change the way end users and partners interact with NewTek. SES has donated satellite capacity to ABC's Extreme Makeover Home Edition TV series, allowing construction crews and show producers to communicate during an extreme renovation project in rural Kansas. Together with SpaceNet, which donated vital equipment and support, SES provided satellite-delivered internet access to the production team during the transformation of a deserving military family's home in the town of Ottawa. Stratos Global has expanded its maritime service delivery capabilities by opening global installation and service centres in 4 major maritime regions. The Stratos GIS centres in Rotterdam, Hong Kong, Singapore and Lafayette, Louisiana provide complete managed communication services for ship owners and ship management companies worldwide. The GIS centres are staffed with fully trained Stratos field engineers who can draw upon a network of certified Stratos installation partners to provide installation, onboard maintenance and ongoing support for the Stratos portfolio of satellite-based communications products.
Thanks, Carrie. Now ESA, the European Space Agency, has signed a public-private partnership contract with Astrium for an independent European satellite system that will speed up transmission of large quantities of data beginning in 2014. James has the story.
The $360 million contract covers the European data relay system, and the PPP approach allows industry to take on a greater risk in order for Europe to reap the benefits of advanced satellite technology. EDRS will provide a telecoms network that is fast, reliable and seamless. It will make real-time data from satellites available on demand at the right place at the right time. With EDRS in place, all suitably equipped future Earth observation satellites will be able to perform quicker data transfers and transmit for longer periods. This will be important in areas such as the response of emergency services during a natural disaster, where satellite imagery can rapidly provide crisis mapping for better coordination on the ground. Astrium has the overall responsibility for designing and developing the complete space and ground infrastructure, and the company will then acquire ownership of EDRS and is committed to its operation for the next 15 years. Initial users for EDRS will be the Sentinel-1 and 2 satellites of the GMES Global Monitoring for Environment and Security Programme, the EU's ambitious Earth observation programme, headed by the European Commission in partnership with ESA, and the European Environment Agency.
At IBC, I managed to talk to O'Brien McKinley, Senior Director of Globecom Systems, and asked him about the company's products and position in the market.
Now, O'Brien, tell me a little bit more about Globecom and why you're at IBC.
Well, we're here, and as Globecom, we're a turnkey solutions provider on a global basis. And what does that mean? We do anything from design implementation, consultative services, system integration, literally from the ground up, hosted managed services, as well as facility services. So when we say we're a turnkey global solutions provider, we really are.
Now, you have 5 vertical markets which you're interested in. Can you tell me a little bit more about those?
Sure. The vertical markets are the marine, or our maritime, enterprise, government, wireless, and broadcast business units, as we call them, and areas. And there's a lot of convergence going on, as you might see, of today's technology that allows us to more effectively and efficiently collaborate between those business verticals, allowing for the customer to realize a better product.
Now, what are you bringing to your customers in terms of products and services?
Well, as an example, in the broadcast area, or the broadcast business vertical, we have hosted solutions. One of our recent successes is the complete build-out of Bharti Skytel in India. That was several hundred of DTH channels, but in addition, the experience and expertise allowed that platform to also cover IPTV and VOD solutions as well.
Now here is Tricia with the launch news.
In early November, NASA will start its selection process for its next class of astronaut candidates who will support long-duration missions to the ISS and future deep space exploration activities. Janet Kavandi, Director of Flight Crew Operations at the Johnson Space Centre, told SatTV that for scientists, engineers and other professionals who have always dreamed of experiencing spaceflight, this is an exciting time to join the astronauts, as this next class will support missions to the station and will arrive via transportation systems now in development. Typically, successful applicants have significant qualifications in engineering or science or extensive experience flying high-performance jet aircraft. NASA expects to announce the final selections in 2013. Arianespace has been awarded the contract to launch the SatTV telecom satellite, which will be placed into a geostationary transfer orbit in late 2012 by an Ariane 5 or Soyuz launcher from the Guiana Space Centre. SatTV will be built by US satellite manufacturer Orbital Sciences Corporation and will carry extended C-band and Ku-band transponders. The satellite will provide next-generation comm services throughout Mexico from its 114.9 degree west longitude orbital slot.
And finally, Arianespace have launched a new website called 3launchersontheequator.com. The website has been created for people looking for information and content about the Arianespace range of launchers, Ariane 5, Soyuz and Vega. That's all for this week. Thank you for watching.